Well, this is mad cool. Today I'll have the pleasure of driving this Art of Attack GR86 courtesy of these two fine gentlemen. Thank you, boys. I'm excited. Swapping with my Type R today. Let's drive this thing.
Is the key in here? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. There's some rev hang. It's not bad though.
Yeah.
Off throttle. I will tell you this, it doesn't cheat. You do have to be more careful.
Yeah, of course.
I really like the steering.
Okay.
Like that's probably the biggest highlight is how good it steers. The power is very accessible and like as soon as you put it down, it's so responsive, which you feel that shit, right? It's not, that is not like that with the Type R. It's so responsive.
It actually feels so much faster than the RS.
Yeah, it has plenty of grunt.
Yeah.
I would easily say the torque wise, torque feels better than the S2000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amir said that too.
Yeah, for sure. It's like,
Amir
I love the grunt. Wow, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, the weight transfer is very nice. It feels light, which is great. Yeah, I would say my two favorite things about it have to be the steering, how knifey it feels.
Yeah.
Like when you turn, right? Look at this shit. Look at that.
Like MRS like?
Dude, I can't lie. I feel like it might feel better than that in a sense.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Wow. So predictable, so fun.
Yeah.
And then second is that throttle. So immediate. I don't get that. I don't get that in the Type R, you know, because this NA shit is just so direct. I like it. Yeah, the steering wheel is really cool. So the brakes do not bite right away like the Type R, that's for sure.
Yeah. These are endless pads, right?
They're endless, yeah. Damn. That was a joy to drive. So fun. Of course, our good old little Type R here.